This is DJI Spark, and today I'll show how you can quickly repair or relink the remote controller and the aircraft on this drone. So at the start, launch the device view or the camera view of the DJI Fly or Go 4 app. Now enter settings, then select the remote controller settings, the third icon from the top here, scroll all the way to the bottom, then select the remote controller linking, press OK, and then on the remote controller itself, press the FN button once to confirm pairing. Now wait a few seconds for this action to be registered, and here you have it. The linking is complete, the relinking should I rather say, or re-pairing of the RC and the drone itself. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.